when we studied history back in school, we used to talk about the timelines in history as BC, before Christ, and AD. Well, now the industry really is looking at BC as before COVID, and AC as well after COVID. So this really has brought about major changes in the way, not only in the way we work, but also in the demands on us and the opportunities that have come up along with it. So, just to take you back to at the start of the pandemic, when we went about doing our prioritization, so to speak, in terms of what are the areas that we need to be focusing on. There were 3 pointers. Number one, without question, was health and safety of our employees. Second was business continuity. So how do we, keep it running? And of course, resilience, business resilience. So these have been the driving force in all the actions that we have taken. Of course, customer is at the forefront of every decision that is taken. So the pandemic, really speaking, gave us an opportunity to review the way things were being done. And in some ways, press the reset button, so to speak. So whether it was, in terms of, the way supplies are made, the way supply chains are defined. So digitization and virtual working took a huge leap forward. I believe it was a leap of anywhere between 6 years to 8 years, maybe even more, because things that would have happened probably closer to 2028 or 2030 suddenly became a reality in 2020.